So the most anticipated camera of 2018 has arrived in the Digital Goja showroom, the Sony a7 III. Let's do an unboxing right now. Adam here, and thank you for joining us here in the Digital Goja showroom. And we have the most anticipated camera right over here of 2018, the Sony a7 Mark III. I know I've been waiting a long time for this camera to come into the shop, and it's finally here. So let's unbox the camera, and then after we unbox it, we're going to go over some of the specs and features of this new camera. Without further ado, let's move on to the unboxing and see what Sony provides you with the camera. Okay, so let's take a look at what Sony provides you with the a7 Mark III. Let's get this thing open. And of course, you're going to notice the first thing is all your instruction material and warranty information. Now, the full instruction manuals are located online and they're available in a downloadable PDF format. So let's get that to the side. You have the standard A7 neck strap. Definitely look into getting a better quality neck strap, but this is what Sony provides you with the camera. Maybe like a sling strap or a padded wrist strap. You have the Z-type battery. This is the new Sony style battery that's found in like the A9, the A7R III. Next, we're going to get into the charging plug. So this is the AC charging plug, as well as a standard micro USB. So the camera does not come with an external wall charger for the battery. It only comes with the plug-in type, so you have to plug in the camera to charge it with the battery in the camera itself. So we're going to open up this compartment over here, and this is it. This is what we've been waiting for. This is the a7 Mark III, and what a beauty this camera is. Let's take a closer look at the features of this camera right now. Okay, so the Sony a7 III packs a brand new 24 megapixel backside illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor. So the camera features the all-new BIONZ X image processor with a front-end LSI. This is going to give you much improved color fidelity as well as high ISO performance and much faster autofocus. Talking about autofocus, the camera features 693 phase detection points when you're in the 35mm full frame format, as well in conjunction with 425 contrast detection points. This is going to make sure that you have a reliable and quick AF, especially when tracking subject matter. Talking about tracking subject matter, this camera takes a step up from the a7R III and gives you even better improved eye detection AF. So with its ability for fast autofocus tracking, the camera is also capable of shooting 10 frames continuously up to 177 frames. And what I would recommend is utilizing the dual memory card slot, especially the UHS 2 card slot, to make sure you're able to keep up with your subject matter. Now, when there's not enough light, this camera is a beast because this camera is capable of shooting up to an ISO of 204,800 ISO. And it's also expandable down to an ISO of 50 in the stills mode. If you're going to be shooting video, you have the capability of shooting up to about 50,000 ISO, expandable up to over 100,000 ISO. And for all you video shooters out there, this is a full frame 4K capable camera. Yes, it uses the full width of the sensor. You can get 4K at up to 30 frames per second. And if you're looking to slow down your subject matter, you get 120 frames per second at full HD. The camera is also capable of shooting in the hybrid log gamma as well as S-Log3. In addition, you have a microphone input as well as a headphone jack and clean HDMI out, so you can get 422 8-bit 4K out to an external recorder. So there are multiple ways to shoot with the camera. You have access to extremely high resolution electronic viewfinder. It's a 2.36 million dot XGA OLED Tru-Finder with a 0.78x magnification with an extremely fast refresh rate, so there's going to be minimal lag when viewing through it, as well as a 3-inch 922,000 dot touchscreen, touch to focus and touch to shutter, tiltable LCD screen in the back. So finally, the camera also features 5-axis image stabilization in body. This is going to be perfect for you video shooters as well as still shooters. Remember, dual memory card slot, UHS 2 on the first card slot, UHS 1 on the second card slot. Features the brand new Z type battery, so you can get about up to 700 shots on a fully charged battery. Much improved over the previous generation of batteries. And it also features Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is going to give you the ability to transfer location data from your cell phone to your images. Wow, incredible. Incredible camera, and that's why I said it's the most anticipated camera of 2018, and can't wait to do some shooting with this camera. So if this video helped you out, if all the features of this are impressive, if you're looking to buy this, leave your comment on the comment section below, and remember, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this to see more impressive cameras. And also, if you're in the Miami area, come check us out and say hello at the Digital Goja showroom. Adam here. I'll catch you in the next video.